I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money on Fiverr, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your Fiverr account. Start by logging into your Fiverr account using your email and password. Make sure you have access to the account you want to deposit money into. Step 2. Go to the billing section. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section found in your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods and deposits. Step 3. Select Deposit Funds. In the billing section, look for the Deposit Funds option. Click on it to start the process of adding money to your Fiverr account. Step 4. Choose your payment method. You will be presented with different payment options such as credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer. Select the method you prefer for depositing funds. Step 5. Enter deposit amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you're all set to deposit money on Fiverr. If you follow these steps, you'll have no trouble adding funds to your account. Happy freelancing!